If you don't like complicated software but still want awesome videos, then CapCut is your new best friend. Yep, it's that easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Download CapCut from your App Store, open it, and hit New Project. On-screen text. Step 1. Start a new project. Now import your videos and photos. Add as many clips as you want. Step 2. Arrange your clips in the timeline below. Reorder them by dragging, and use the Format tool to pick your video size, think TikTok or YouTube. Pop up, choose your canvas. Step 3. Trim and split. Drag the ends of a clip to trim. Want to cut something out? Tap split. Easy. Step 4. Add music and sound effects. Use CapCut's built-in library, import audio, or record your own voiceover. Step 5. Drop in text and overlays for titles or picture-in-picture effects. Step 6. Spice it up with effects, filters, and transitions. Step 7. Ready to share? Export in high quality and your video is done. Editing doesn't have to be scary. CapCut's got your back.